Welcome to Cohere AI Hackathon. With me here is Obina Ike and Pius Arabunde. Together we worked on two problems that we face daily as developers in the open source community, and we are going to talk more about them. First one is issue labeling. Um, Daily we have tons of issues created on GitHub repositories, and as GitHub maintainers we have to go through each of them to label them so that users can find their way through them, navigate easily, and not be led astray by tagging them with bugs, features, and all those kind of things. That's the first problem. So with that bulk of issues being created, especially on open source projects, we need some kind of automatic labeling system to handle that. Now, the second issue is with translation. Now, we in the world today, we see that developers can contribute to open source projects from around the world, no matter where they live, from China to US to Japan to Europe to Nigeria, and there is usually some sort of language barrier that comes into play. So, to prevent that from happening, developers should be able to easily translate comments without having to leave the GitHub application. So we have a solution called Dobby, which is a GitHub bot that offers automated labeling and translation functionalities for repositories. You can find the GitHub application when you type Dobby GH bot, and you'll be able to find it in the GitHub apps. So first one is auto labeling. So Dobby gives you the ability to automatically label issues when they are created. So the moment an issue is created, it uses the title of the issue and the description of the issue to create a label, to attach a label to it. Sorry, and we make use of the Cohere's embed model, which is the embed multilingual version 2.0. Now we also make use. It also translates issues for us, translates comments for us, and all you need to do is just attach this query to the comment section, and it would respond you with the translated language. So we'll head straight into the technologies that were used. We used Python, Flask, and GitHub APIs, and then for the API, multilingual embedding API, we made use of the generate model, the classify model, and the language detection model. This for to translate the issue content, this to auto label new issues, and this for verifying the language that's the verify the translation of the language. We head straight to the demo. This is a sample, a screenshot from one of the demos. So this is the screenshot of auto labeling in action. We created this issue and it's attached the debug to it, and this is it translating from German to English. So we'll go ahead to test that. So I have an issue already in place here. So I'll just go ahead and submit it, and it should be able to automatically label it for us. Then we are also going to be testing the translation model. So I'll go ahead and try to translate this to English, and it will comment, it will send a reply with the translation for us. All right, it has attached the bulk to it, and it has translated our issue for us. So just for confirmation, I'll just take this and put it on Google Translate to be sure it gave us the right thing. My HP printer is not working properly and I cannot print. I already tried reinstalling the printer and didn't help. Are there other solutions I could try? Let's confirm that. I'm unable to print. My HP printer is not working properly. I cannot print. So I've tried. And so yeah, so we see it in action here and it works. So in concluding, we hope this GitHub application can be used by developers in Nigeria here and around the world, so that we can help make our life as developers easier. And for developers who would like to contribute to our open source projects, you can find us. You can find our repository here, and you can also search for our application here. So thank you very much for joining this presentation. We hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.